Good morning, good morning. Welcome to El Shana, this or that. I come with a quick video. I know it's too late. It's like 3:42 a.m. where I'm located. I'm on Central Standard Time. How I want to do this video, cause shit, I was finna go to bed until I just read a comment. What damn street committee? Y'all better get y'all ass up out these YouTube streets like y'all doing, man. Y'all clowning. Making all y'all each other look bad. Baby girl, you don't need no click. You need to get your shit together. I don't know what's what, cause I ain't trying to go that way over there. But I might come on, creep on through and see what it is. But I ain't got time for all that. I don't like mess. That's why I didn't vacate it. Cause they all in cahoots. They all in cahoots. And swear they ain't. Fuck that. Cause when it all boils down, every man for their motherfucking self, cause y'all is fucking with the federal grounds. Just keep it real. And everything you think you making through YouTube is theirs. Okay? Know where you at and what you doing at all times. And better go check these new laws. Y'all playing too close for comfort. Stealing, it ain't about doxing. Y'all stealing motherfuckers' information. That's identity theft. How dumb can you be? And don't give a fuck. That's how you know you ain't retarded. And I bet they get a check. Fuck that. And they take that too. Quit being slow, y'all. Y'all got kids. Y'all kids was watching y'all. And y'all actions, if you do it, they'll try to do it. And don't think because they in the next room they ain't listening. They smarter than y'all is. Firecracker, boom, boom, boom. Shut it down, baby girl. That money ain't all like that. That can't, or you ain't never had none then. Because that shit ain't all that. That ain't all that. Let me see if I can get some of it, and I'll tell you then. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm just, that, when she asked me a street committee, what mother thugging street committee? Anybody who wrote no damn street committee. I don't roll clicks. I'm so low. All the days of my life. You crazy. You don't need no damn click. You better go get some counseling and parenting and everything else. And I would like to talk to you like a big sister. If I can help you, I'm going to help you. And don't y'all need to quit letting these men predict y'all futures. That's what y'all doing wrong. I don't care if you do got a child, 2 kids, 3 kids, 4 kids, 5 kids, 6 kids. Make sure the nigga take care of them. Make sure you take care of them. But take care of your kids. Get your child. That got to hurt. If not, you ain't human. I'm dead serious. That shit is hurtful. And then they laughing about it. That shit ain't funny. Shit. A real true sister gonna help a sister. Some shit can be a laugh, but not all of it. People got feelings. You wouldn't want nobody doing you like that. All I'm going to say is do me, goddammit. That's what you do. Do me. And you got 12 of my motherfucking pictures. And I know you done ran them through and scanned them. And you know my name. And you know I'm on Facebook. Do me, motherfucker. That's what you do. And see what I do. Because you is much. Fuck that shit. It's getting ridiculous. It's been ridiculous. Same way with Wood. Wood gonna be a man. Shit, he been being a man. Shit, he got 2 kids before then. And whoever her man is, he fucked with you. Shit, he was doing what he was doing like Wood. What's the difference? They men. They young. Who said they was obligated to just one? I know my son don't. Shit. I keep it real. Been there, done that. I wish I would. I wish a motherfucker would. Excuse my language. Got me cussing. Y'all need y'all butts whooped for being slow. Alright, I'm going to get back with this in the morning. Y'all have a good night. Stay blessed. Pray without ceasing. Please, he work. Please, y'all. Because the enemy is bad on these streets. He eating y'all up. Like, comment, and please subscribe. This is El Shana, this or that. Good night. I might be up in the morning for another one.